Hi, this is Brian Reese with EasyFlow Tutorials, and today we're going to talk to you about how to change eye color. Now we do have an image here. I'm going to go ahead and click the layer. Make sure it's selected. Go ahead and click Control and plus. Get right up in there. Alright, kind of level it out just a little bit so you can make sure you're close enough to the eyes. The next thing we want to do is go down to the adjustment layers, and click Hue Saturation. Once we got into hue saturation, we find the color that we like, kind of like green. So we'll go ahead and stick with green for the moment. Then we go back, make sure that the layer is selected, which it is, and then we go up to Image, Adjustments, and Invert. Now you see her face is back to its original color. Now, with that still selected, we go back over here to find a brush. Brush about 20 is good, and also want to make sure that it's hard, 100%. Go ahead and click anywhere outside of there, and then maybe increase it a little better. Okay, and then go in and make sure this is changed to white, because we want to reveal this color here and make it green. Alright, so go back over to this one and do the same thing. Alright. This one's a little outside, so since we need to fix that, go ahead and switch that back to black. And with it switched to black, I can go through and clean that up a little bit. I think that should be fine. Alright, back to white again. Make sure we got it all. And then when we back away from it by hitting Control and the minus key, she now has green eyes. Now if you want to change the color, say, hey, I want her to have blue eyes, double click on that. That's switch right there. Double click on it and it brings you here. And all you need to do is just go through and say, well, you should look good with brown eyes. You should look good with blue eyes or purple eyes. Okay? Or I mean, we'll just keep it at green the way it was, or make them blue. Stick with green. That'll be fine. Okay, now we've shown you how to do that, shown you how to change colors, shown you how to adjust it, and that's it for this particular training. Hope you got something out of it. Hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, we have plenty more coming. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this particular training. Have a great day, and we'll be more in the future. Have a great one. Bye-bye.